they say we got the best tech news, my honest reaction to that information. Hello everyone and welcome to Newston Minute. I'm your host Harris and today we got some news. Let's get started. Yeah, Xiaomi has officially confirmed their brand new Xiaomi 13 Ultra details ahead of launch, which is tomorrow. Set up your alarm. It seems like Xiaomi has given us an official look at the phone thanks to the official Xiaomi Weibo account, which shared detailed images of the 13 Ultra, confirming the leaked renders. And yeah, that's a beefy ass camera. As you can see, this phone is basically a camera, like half of it is just literally the gigantic camera bump stuck on the back. And speaking of the back, this 13 Ultra will feature a metal alloy casing with a new second generation Fox leather layer on top. Not only that, the new leather-like material also boasts an antibacterial coating, so that's pretty cool. And it's also dirt-resistant, covered with a special anti-yellowing coating. Now that's some fancy stuff. And yeah, as you notice, the leather bit will stick out near the camera bump with the combined thickness rumored to reach around 15.6mm, even thicker than the ROG Phone 7. The top and bottom parts of the phone will taper out though, just like a traditional camera, for a more comfortable fit when using it in landscape. For the specs, we can see 4 cameras inside the bump with 3 Sony 50MP sensors and of course a 1-inch sensor for the main. Lastly, they also shared that they have developed a special LTPO OLED panel with China Star that can reach up to 2600 nits peak brightness for HDR. You burn your eyes watching that screen. Okay, let's show them our secret sauce. Bonus news! Speaking of fancy stuff, the Motorola Razr 2023 just appeared in renders, showing a tiny cover display. Yeah, remember Razr? Motorola is finally expected to launch 2 clamshell foldables this year, the Razr 2023 and the Razr Plus 2023. As you can see, the Razr 2023, which is the more budget one, has appeared in renders, showcasing a design that looks a lot like the older Galaxy Z Flip devices, with a tiny cover screen next to the cameras. This is probably because the Razr 2023 is expected to be called the Razr Lite, so that might explain the micro-size screen on the outside. For the inside, we can see the flexible screen equipped with a hole punch for the camera with pretty thin bezels. Other things like the volume rockers and the power button are located on the top right hand side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if this design is the best way to go for this device, because the Galaxy Z Flips are exactly a big hit, and this is pretty much the same thing. Maybe they'll do it better? Who knows? Whoa, stop right there. It's the end of the video. But you can come back on Monday for a special announcement video. Very exciting stuff. Anyway, bye.